Stung by outcry over Wuhan's overcrowded hospitals and doctors struggling without resources, Beijing tries to show it's in control of the epidemic consuming this country. Soldiers arrive with supplies, as do hundreds of doctors from all over China. And the government is building 2 hospitals at breakneck speed, designed to treat more than 2,000 of the infected. State TV is also showing successes, like the story of Zhang Chengcheng, a medic infected with the coronavirus, now recovering. I feel I'm in pretty good shape, he tells a reporter standing outside his hospital room. My fever's gone and I don't cough so often. But that optimism contrasts sharply with big increases in infections and deaths even in the past 24 hours. This is still a city and a region locked down. Roads, planes, and trains all blocked in a desperate attempt to stop the virus. The mayor of Wuhan predicts the number of cases here to go up by another 1,000 in the coming days. Beijing officials painted an equally grim picture today, expecting the virus to become stronger and spread farther. It's all very new, says the deputy director of China's National Health Commission, Li Bin. Our knowledge is limited, and the epidemic is not in control. In fact, many fear the situation is already far worse than government officials are telling them. In Hong Kong, for instance, where they still remember the huge toll from the SARS virus.
I'm
worried, says Peter Cheng. We must close our borders.
And so, Sasha, an entire province is locked down, the virus still spreading. Any sign of what steps China will take next?
Well, at this point, it looks as though some of the parts of China are taking their own initiative. But later today, bowing to public pressure, Hong Kong did close its borders, and it banned anybody who had been to Wuhan from coming into Hong Kong. We're seeing this in more and more communities, individual communities around China, towns that are simply deciding to close the roads, to keep outsiders out, to try to keep the virus out. In some cases, they're dumping dirt on the roads or digging them up even. It's a very local initiative, but it means that you could see in the next foreseeable future that China itself could be locked down and transportation could well be paralyzed. Ian?
Sasha Petrusik in Beijing, where it is already Monday morning.